Hi there, in this video, I'm gonna dive into availability status inside of SmartSuite. In SmartSuite, you can let your team members know your status and whether you're on vacation or not. So by going to the top right here and then clicking set availability status, you can set a variety of different emojis to emulate what status you're at. So for example, you can see I could type palm trees and then put vacation, out of office. Now, when it comes to setting this up, I have a multitude of options. I can have it not clear until I set it to. So if I press set status and then I click on the member directory and click on me, you'll see that my status says vacation. Now, in order to edit this inside the directory, I can click that edit icon right there. And I can set this to, for example, pick a specific date and time. So say I was gonna be out of office until next Monday or Tuesday, I could click clear on, and then let's do it at the start of the day. So at 8 a.m. And if I wanted to change the emoji, I could change it to a beach and then press set status. And now it says vacation until August 7th, 2023 at 8 a.m. Now, when it comes to this, you don't have to be as specific as this. You could just set it to something like clear status, which will clear everything off. And then, for example, if I just literally needed to take a lunch break, I can click 1 hour and then put a sandwich to indicate that I'm out to lunch. And when I press set status, now it'll show in the team directory that I am out to lunch until this time. You can also see your team member status as well. So for example, my other account in here is offline and not in SmartSuite currently, but this account is, which is showing that I am online within SmartSuite. All of your different team members will have their statuses showcased within here, and since there is no status there for me to notice from this standpoint, I won't see anything. Statuses are extremely easy to set and to clear, just like this click of a button in an instant. Make sure you utilize the availability status feature inside of SmartSuite today.